Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi thelelelele sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Siringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka commentators samahamsha wasekasi afrustani diski adlalile idiski akhulele ediskini ngoba ngapha kule area yethu eSoweto bakhona o-Desert Reds ngaleza ikhathi isikhula, bakhona osinawane Gunners, osinawane Vultures, bakhona uMapetla Brazil kule area yethu ngalezo ikhathi. Namhlanje sivakashe la esinawane, sivakashela uBramsomi. Sivakashela uBramsomi, indoda ezisebenzayo, ikhosi elihle ke leli esikhuluma nalo namhlanje, ikhosi. Sizokhuluma ngendaba yekhosi futhi. Sivakashela uBramsomi lana, indoda esebenza nenyama yentoko eyondla isizwe. Kunjani uBramsomi?
Ngiyabonga baba Nyawo.
Yazi namhlanje brawami asizange ngomnini nje, umbuzwanyana nje ugeneral bese uyasixoxela mfowethu. Kodwa-ke phawula kulokhu ufuna ukusho babuMsomi.
Njengoba usubekile nje ngiyabonga baba Nyawo. Sowubekile nendaba ebhola ekhasi-ke nazi ukuthi ikhasi wabale wonke amathimu asekhasi ayikhona, sibukela ibhola elalimnandi. Kunaleli bhola esisibuka manje libhadalayo likhokhelayo. Bekudlalwa ebhukwini lishikiswe idisi. Ungadlalwa baba Nyawo, lishikiswe. Shoot lidust ubone ukuthi hayi indoda hayi iyawu indoda lapha. Lahle wonke umuntu ushaya ngekhishi left and right uzuwe phansi. But manje ayikho into engiphatha kabuhlungu Nyawo lapha kukhosi. Khosi angazi sesinama coach amaningi. This week is Coach Jwayelo, next week is Coach Jwayelo. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kukhosini ngaqhashi ucoach abe-1 abafana aba-confuse ukuthi that's why ihlale siluze ku-Stelis ekhapini saphuma, saluze e-Africa saphuma. Ngani? This week athi coach omunye uza nesakhe isquad, next week kuza omunye uza nesakhe isquad. That's why leyo sihlala siluze. Lo sinegame esibhekene nayo enzima ePirates, asazi uzokwenzakalani, ubani uzocoach naye lo uzolokhu ethatha ahlanganisa ikipa. Abanayo iskimu sabo i-winning scheme abe-Chiefs ayikho. Ukuthi sinama-players sazi ukuthi la, and i-Chiefs inawo ama-player kule season, ingonywana akufani, ingonywana kakhulu. But inkinga asina coach, angazi management ukuthi ibuka kanjani yona kuleso simo. Ungena e-stadium soyikhipha imali yokusiya uwaya njengoba siyena. Kodwa sinenkinga coach ngasinayo. Kubuhlungu obukela ihlaphe kacoach efana ukuthi bayedlalela abafana. Lento ingiphatha kabuhlungu ngathi ngake change ukuthi kubhadala ucoach noma ngabe ufuna amitha kuyaphezulu abamnike. Esidonga umuntu ozokwenza umsebenzi kuqala. Khulu kabi le tafe ukuthi ngalokho idliwa kanjani. Qineni nje icup lelifi sekugcineni. Minyaka salad iligi nje noma silela sayiphupha kwephupha ngoba awukho umsebenzi wayo. Saphuma ku-Nedbank. Yithi esostayine Nedbank saphuma ku-first 32. Mtshela yini asina coach.
Manje-ke babuMsomi, yini mhlawumbe umlayezo njengekhosi elikhulu ofisa ukundlulisela kumanagement ye-Kaizer Chiefs? Makungathiwa nangu uBobby Motaung la phambi kwakho, khuluma naye, ungakhala uthini kulamadoda yonke imanagement yekhosi ephethe laphana? Yini okucela banenzele bona njengama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs?
Danke baba Nyawo. Into eyi-1 nje engicela kakhulu nakhala ngecoach abafowethu. Ukube nje bakhona ula eduze nami ngabe yamtshela yena uBob Steve ukuthi hayi bafowethu lona isitholeleni icoach abafowethu. Niyabona sisapota ngayo yonke indlela. Province ne-province sihlala sikwele stadium. Kodwa sibuya njalo sikhala. And asipheleli moya. Kulokho kubuya kukhala. Noma kuthiwa next week coach during le game siyaya kodwa ayi inhliziyo zethu zibuhlungu bafowethu. Asithole icoach abafana abahle ba-right. Umuntu ozosebenzisa bonke labafana ngendlela e-right. Hayi ngale ndlela le okusetshenzwa ngayo right now. Asinamuntu esazi ukuthi lo ushaya wamagoli lithi cha. asinamuntu osibambela ozopensela laphana babanyawo esiswini ozokathi ukubamba ibhola athi ukuliholda njengabodokotha pensele nje afake ibhola ekhala. Asinabo labantu. Ngani? Asinacoach. Labantu bayishatha ukuthi hayi basabambile into akuze kube nini.
Bathi khosi alipheli moya zingangediski samahabsha wasetasi sinje masithanda. Asikhona futhi ziringa ngediski. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ku podcast yethu sibuya kuyo sesakhuluma nje sibheka iSundawana laphana mayidlala ku Champions League sathi hayi iFrontline Sundowns iyashisa nawo amadoda kuye Africa abawathengile ku Sundowns ashisa bhe. Wethola nalawa abuya phesheya kwelwandle we-Sundowns ashisa bhe. Ngathi mangibheka ngaze ngayichaza le ndaba ngathi hayi i-Orlando Pirates ine problem ku backline. Wethola leyo nto leyo kodwa zange ngibe specific as to which player osicindezelayo lapha emuva. Namhlanje ngeke ngisho ukuthi iliphi le player elisicindezele emuva kodwa into engangikhala ngayo ukuthi iFrontline yeSundowns bade laba bantu bayashesha bayagijima kodwa sabane nenhlanhla amazidlane eSundowns azange kube namakhona kick amaningi. Otherwise singabe isibulele iSundowns kodwa ke isibulele ngoba isishaye 2-1. Sathi sizama ukubuya wangasabuyeki. Ngabuka Paul uthini baba Mzethi ngale game yethu neMamelodi Sundowns.
Eqinisweni njengoba basho uGerard, on a serious note, our coach cost us. You can't be winning games in 3 games at first since kahle, and then you're playing Sundowns. You don't want anything that we just needed a win. And then was a cheaty scheme of Fagabantu guys who coach us better. And then nalabantu abathenga phesheya now lokutokole 2 goals. Lo muntu is scoring free. Goal 1 Trepela, nobody's disturbing him. Ushaya free shooting. Come goal 2. Phakathi kwabantu a pass behind the defenders. Boom. Goal. He lost the game. Coming back second half. Goal 1 2. Lao nosona yasha for goal. That's why we should organize ourselves, put pressure on them. Safata la.
Yeah, because laphana nje iposition lapha ku backline yethu uyowayishintsha ibackline yethu wakhipha uNdaba wakhipha lo mfana weKhaladi konjubani wakhipha uFan Rooyen wasibisela uSibelebele wasibisela uRaidim uOtto. Asithi uOtto noSibelebele are not good players but kulama game esibuya ku coach abekaloku asidlalisa uFan Rooyen adlalisa uNdaba badlala very well kuleya backline aze uSibisi angabonakali asebenze njengesweeper nje only. So ake wasixaka ucoacha makayenza kanjalo ngwazwile amabhakani amaningi bathi hayi ngathi sekazohamba ke manje masasekathatha ngathi Pirates yakubo abuthini baba
and usifakela unnecessary pressure. He's got the material akashoti nganix la undaba imaterial uyiphethe into efanele nje ayenze laphana indaba zokuthi njela ahlali ne-training team lebe beyenza kulama game ayi-3 wawinile why bangayenzanga ku-Sundowns ama-changes awani akuna injury akuna suspension uyishentshelani imoto yabigiye 1 right because he is the one make no mistake the coach cost us ukugiving Sundowns same nalesibuya vuye it's fine it's the same.
Silver plan are $250 per month. Gold plan are $350 per month. Platinum plan are $450 per month. And for our seniors, a special pensioners top up at just $80 per month. Because at KV Funeral Home, we believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity. The dignity.
ngamanye amagama uba uMzethi ukuthi ucoacha uyibulele irhythm yeteam ngokungabi ne-starting 11 athi le starting 11 esiloku singiwinisa ngiphila ngaso ngizosubstitute after makudingekile wena sitakaze nje ischeme.
The substitution lapha you don't check. I'm still saying uza kahle 3 successive wins no stress wina ngobani amufuke ngalento ningani uzichenchela you don't fix it if it's not broken. You don't fix it. You should have just kept on going as a skip up until 1 we don't have a red card, 2, we don't have a suspension. 3, we don't have injuries. So what's the problem for him to change the winning team? What's the problem for him to change the combination? Because it has been going on and on. So the problem with our coach, he wants to do things his way, not the Pirates way. Pirates has got he's got their own rhythm and their own system of doing things to Pirates. So like I'm saying, I'll say it again. He's coming up with a mind like Rulani. Rulani were about to take a leak after Micho left. Rulani was in charge. Instead, he opted for his own players who were not benefiting the team, who were benefiting him. It's then that he lost the job to Pirates. So that's what is going to happen in the Giraffic.
And siyazi baba Mzethi sikuzwa kahle kakhulu, siyazi ukuthi iNedbank idumile ukuthi ibe nama surprises, but this time abe maningi kakhulu lama surprise because amaklabhu amakhulu adliwe. Sibonile iKaizer Chiefs ziphuma, sayibona iMamelodi Sundowns ziphuma, nabo nathi ibhakabhaka sivelelwa eliyongozi soshaywa iklabhu esingayazi thina abanye esiqala ukuzuzwa ngayo. Ngabe uthini okudliwa kwePirates kuNedbank Cup noma ngabe sidliwe ngama-penalty? Bekudingekile ukuthi size siyofika nalabafana kuma-penalty na?
From what I've seen in the game, the moral of the boys was very down. Bengasile Pirates yaziyo ledlala lana. Umoya bophansi. We had all those chances, ngenile boxing. We couldn't do what we are used to do. We shouldn't do what we are used to do. Uskori kolwa ngasi issue. Mara besiye boxing. Besiyanza nkinto kula bafana. Amabholo lepali in the plus umuntu from Norway. So you ask yourself, confidence there. You look at the bench. The good players were seated at the stands. Normally, ngegame yokuqala uthatha umntakaziwa wabafaka badlala. Manje kule game kuzafaka abantu abamampela uyazi ukuthi it's last 8, we need to go and win the game. Yena wenzo wakhe. At the end of the day, uskosti cake nama substitute wakhe onke awana lo mfutho lo esiufunayo. Mawungabheka our match player lemfana mncane. He was not there. Instead, the vice versa. Apollos was playing better than Musikek this time. When late, so coming up second half. So that's where he killed us.
Hayi kunzima amabhakabhaka. Hayi siyamuzwa baba Mzethi uyibeka kanjani le ndaba yokulimala kwebhakabhaka. Sesilimele kuliga, sinasho ukuthi kuliga siyaphi. So makuqhamuka icup opportunity fanele siwine na kanjani. Sifanele sitokelela amakhaphu ngendlela esijwayele ukwenza ngayo. Masihlulwe iligi siba namakhaphu amaningi. Ngabe kule season ukhona lokho kuzoyenzeka.
Udutemba Shabalala, TT, Josie FM, actually, there's no team that will beat Pirates. Pirates will beat itself. Uduchomoso no Mayakulman no TT. Pirates have got 3 teams in one season. Snamatlapa Maning. Look at the game that we played, calling Black Label. There's this boy on a pin video called too. So you ask yourself, Babeleng, Imali, in a bank, investor. Wala ngafaka nabafana badlala. Bodlala nini into enzoyenza uzoza bathi uloniwe kuphi. So you check at we've got everything that is needed in the team. But thina siyayibamba yonke into yethu siyigodle. Angasifuna ukuyisebenzisa nini kuphi.
Siseselapho nje baba Mzethi njengoba usho ukuthi sothi sizwe bathi hayi sekahambile na i-defender esiqeda ukuyihambisa manje le yase Nigeria le ntwana le otho unda ngabe uthini ngonda kulesimo samanje ukuthi noTLB uhambile simthengisile samsema eAmerica. Ngabe unda siyazi ukuthi umuntu wama-injury kodwa ngabe bekudingekile ukuthi simhambise unda kulesikhathi samanje na?
Akuhambi umuntu akekho hamba noma base nje umsaba. Umbuthungo sesemncane for the Pirates. Akakabi right there. Ushapa ngena phazamise lo mphazamiso wakhe. Amagame manje from kule stages thume kuso. That's where you need your main team, your real team to go and fight for you. Ukuthi ubani uthilo bana faka abafana bakho naba bombatha. The boy is doing it in the middle. Mawuthi uyabheka uMaster Chef akagqokanga kubonakala. You check yourself ukuthi yini mission le coach sigijimise i-league. And kule league you make sure ukuthi the medical guys they make sure that everybody is fit to play, is ready. And then the management, man, show with the guys, let's do it, but never careful on my card. As full yellow card, man, as full red card, as full EJAR. We are riding for that thing, but the motivation, some way, somehow, believe me, I'm saying, this last game, we're done and out. ayikho into esenzi
sinje masithanda siringa ngediski sishilo sathi asisiya amasoka analyst but vandag siphethe ucoacha umzwarewa siphethe umzethi uyibeka njengoba injalo uyibeka njengani ma-commentator uyibeka njengani masoka analyst sinje masithanda siringa ngediski.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
Full-time Pirates 1, Sundowns 2. Result Richards Bay 0, Amazulu X-Teen 1. Full-time TS Galaxy 2, Sundowns 0. Through to the quarterfinals, after 120 goalless minutes, Durban City FC win 2-0 on penalties against Upington City FC. Quarterfinals secured in the Nedbank Cup. Full-time, Arrows 1, Stellenbosch 0. Kasrik through. Kasrik Stars beat Orlando Pirates 5-4 on penalties to progress to the quarterfinals. Not one, but two goal line saves from Mbekazeli Mbakasi in his MLS debut. Here are the teams through to the quarterfinals of the Nedbank Cup: Amazulu, FC Kasrik Stars, Durban City, Jaxa Spears, Lamontville, Golden Arrows, Milford FC Sekhukhune, United TS Galaxy. Quarterfinals draw: Amazulu versus Kasrik Stars, Sekhukhune versus Milford, FCTS, Galaxy versus Jaxa Spears, Arrows versus Durban City. Matchday: Chiefs versus Stellies, Amazulu versus Sundowns.
Haya sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustani diski adlali diski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya yibungi ngijane laba.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Siringange Disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Siringange Disky, ah ah. Forget the world when the whistle blows. From Soweto to Rio they go, 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 go. I caramba no. Siringange Disky, that's the only truth they know. He wakes up, no kiss, just the score line. Did you see that red?